From the hearts of Port Harcourt, where rivers meet and cultures flow, a voice is rising. Not noise, not echo, but a voice of identity. A voice that carries the weight of generations and the wisdom of a people whose feet still remembers the red F. It is called the voice of my people. It rises not from palaces, but from marketplaces, not from headlines, but from homes, from the lips of the elders, the hands of the mothers, the dreams of our youth, and the hearts of a people who have never forgotten where they come from. Long before the microphones and media, the Igbo spoke through proverbs, through parables, through songs shared on the moonlight, and the silent strength of community. Today, that same voice lives again, clear, bold, rooted, broadcasting from Port Harcourt to the world. The voice of my people with Emmanuel Anya. It is more than a program. It is a cultural platform, a home, a movement, a space where culture speaks, where truth echoes, where hope rises. What is the voice of my people about? It is a powerful cultural media experience, telling real, unfiltered stories of the Igbo people, stories of strength, identity, entrepreneurship, tradition, faith, and survival. A revival of ancestral wisdom, a celebration of modern Igbo excellence. We blend storytelling, interviews, proverbs, market sounds, flute music, and moonlight tales to create an emotional and empowering connection for Igbos at home and across the globe. Who is it for? Igbo people everywhere, at home or in diaspora, young professionals rediscovering their roots, elders who want their wisdom preserved, non-Igbo listeners who value culture, entrepreneurs, artists, thinkers from the southeast, anyone who wants to belong, learn, and be inspired. Every week, we tell our own stories the way we can. Stories of courage and commerce, stories of faith and family, proverbs that teach, music that heals, conversations that awaken, celebrations that unite, voices once forgotten, now amplified. Why should you listen? Because here, you're not getting noise, you're getting truth, raw, cultural, inspiring. Here, representation is real. Igbo voices matter beyond stereotypes. Here, heritage meets relevance, from market women to tech youths, from drums to digital. Here, we don't just entertain, we educate, connect, and elevate. Whether you are in Ohafia, Onitsha, Port Harcourt, or Ontario, this platform reminds you, you are not forgotten. You're a part of something great. We shine a light on Igbo excellence, from Aba to Atlanta, from Enugu to Edmonton, in trade, in tradition, in truth. We celebrate the market woman feeding nations, the village elder teaching proverbs, the youth dreaming in code but praying in Igbo, the child abroad who still greets his father with no. Because being Igbo is not about location, it's about essence. We are not just a tribe, we are civilization. We are a people of resilience, of reverence, of rhythm. We are not perfect, but we are proud and we are present. The voice of my people is on Love FM 97.7 Port Harcourt and streams globally via YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and X. Our WhatsApp community connects us from street to stream, home to homeland. Hosted by Emmanuel Anya, a brother, a believer, a bearer of our collective truth, committed to our people, committed to our progress. Igbo Kwenu, let this be the sound that reminds us we are not lost, we are not small, we are not silent, we are the voice of our people, and the world will hear us now. The voice of my people, where culture speaks, truth echoes, hope rises.